Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Heather and today we are going to do a Lane Bryant haul. Lane Bryant, an oldie, a goodie, for the most party. I'm really lame, I know, please help me. I haven't bought from Lane Bryant in a while and I don't know why. I think I just wasn't inspired by anything that they had for a bit. I know that they did that collaboration with Girls with Curves and I really loved those items and I wanted to pick them up, but I wanted to wait until they went on sale. So that's pretty much what I did. Most of this is Girls with Curves items. So if you've already seen that, then you can just skip my video entirely. I'm talking with my hands a lot today. That's how I am. I'm sorry. I can't restrain them unless I like sit on them. So let's just get into the video. The first item I fell in love with because of the color. I love this color green. It's like a forest green blazer. I just thought it was so cute. I love that it didn't have any buttons. It was an open face blazer. It's wrinkled as all hell right now. Definitely will need to be steamed as well. But I just thought this was adorable, perfect for work. It has these gold zipper side pockets. And I just thought it was really classic and beautiful. I don't know if they have it in a black, but if they do, I really want to get one just because I think this is like a staple that you can have in your closet to throw over dresses or shirts or like kind of make your outfit look more presentable and classic. If you're just wearing like a, I don't know, basic pair of black pants and a white shirt or something like that, you know, it just makes it look, I don't know, fancier. I just really like the length and everything. I think it's a 3/4 inch sleeve jacket, which works for me because I'm always hot as hell in more ways than one. I got this in a size 26 and it's called the Tailored Stretch brand. So it does have a silhouette, but it is stretchy. I wouldn't say it's super stretchy, but it does have some stretch to it. It even has these little baby shoulder pads, which are funny to me. But I just think that this was really cute. I did buy over the summer a couple of their basic like blazers and black pants for work and I was actually really disappointed, so I don't think I ever showed y'all that haul, and I felt like everything didn't fit really well, and so this jacket or blazer really surprised me. I really like it. So if you're looking for something for work like that's like this and you want it to be, you know, kind of fashion forward but still work appropriate, totally recommend that blazer. Love it. I don't know if they have other colors, but if they do, I gotta check it out. Okay, so the next item I don't remember buying, but I'm not surprised I got it. It is this really comfy purple sweater, but it's kind of weird, which isn't a bad thing. I like weird things. It has this kind of like mini turtleneck, but underneath it, it has like a big space like where your chest goes. So it's like you're gonna have the turtleneck and then a little bit of like skin showing around your neck. I think that's cute and I really love how soft and comfy the material is. It does have an actual bell sleeve, so it is gonna go out. However, this just ran way too big for me, so like I keep debating if I'm gonna keep it or not. Y'all let me know. I think I got the 26, 28, and I've had this problem recently with Lane Bryant. It's so weird because I always thought that they ran small, and maybe that's just in pants, but recently, or at least like the past 6 months, anytime I've tried them, the tops have been like really big on me, and then the bottoms still, depending on the size, like are running a little tight. So it's like really confusing with their sizing on what I am. I would have definitely sized down in this if I could have had my way. I may go to the store and try to, you know, exchange it, but I don't know. Y'all tell me if you like it or not. The top of the sleeve actually is really cute. I didn't notice that until now. It has these little circle things, circle dots that go all the way down, so that'll be a cute little embellishment. But overall, this is like the perfect like comfy little sweater. Different, something unique. I liked it, love the color. I just think it runs really big, so keep that in mind. The next top I don't remember buying either, but I'm not mad at it. It is just a black top, but it has these really frilly sleeves. It's like a short sleeve, but they go out, and they have this like little blue ribbing on it. What's cool about this is the embellishment kind of makes a regular black shirt seem like something more. The sleeves are always going to maintain their shape the way that it is right here. So it's cute, but the only thing I have a problem with is I'm not a huge fan of my arms, and like I feel like it accentuates the biggest part of my arms, and I know that's something I'm working on, just trying to like love every part of my body and all of that jazz. So I'm gonna keep it. I think it's cute. I think this would be really cute tucked into like a fun skirt that has pattern, or if I just wanted to be basic as well. The only other thing I would say I wouldn't like about this is you probably would have a hard time wearing like a cardigan or like a jacket over this, just because the sleeve would get all scrunched up and it would look really weird like on your body. So just something to think about. I got this in a 26, 28, and I'm pretty sure I got this on sale. So yeah. Okay, so the next sweater, I have to admit, I saw Rebecca from the Plus Side of Me wear this, and I thought it was so cute, so I had to get it as well. I'll link her down below. I think she's really cool. I DM her a lot. I like her, so if she's watching, then hey, hi, how are ya? But I love this. This is from the Girl with Curves collaboration. It's in a 26, 28. It is a white sweater, of course, with a balloon sleeve, but this sleeve is shaped a little bit different than my regular ones. Usually it kind of is a gradual increase, but this one just like, it looks like it just focuses on the bottom part of the sleeve, and it's just really cute and cozy. It has these little divots in it, which I love. I think they look kind of like pearls, but at the same time I hate them because I tried to wear a dress over this that was a thinner dress, and you could see like all the little dipples and stipples and stuff. So it's a positive and a negative. I got this in a 26, 28. This once again ran large on me. I don't know if they have any more in stock. I would have to check, but if they don't, I'm keeping it in the 26, 28. I love it. I mean, you guys know I like to wear things a little bit oversized for the most part, so I'm sure after a wash and how I like to dry things and things shrink all the time, it will eventually turn out to be my size. But I love it. I think it's really cute. I'm not really great with white sweaters. I usually spill things on it, just like I spilled Coke on this sweater. I think I mentioned that in my last video, but really cute. The only thing I do have to say though, it has like the strangest smell out of the package. Ugh, I don't know what the heck that is, but definitely needs to be washed before worn. All right, so the next sweater, love it too. Also Girls with Curves. It is this mustard sweater. It's a long length and it has this tie at the waist. I think it's really cute. I love this color on me. It's the only type of yellow I love. However, I will say the only thing I don't like about this, and this just goes down to my insecurities, is that this type of sweater does like hold on to your curves and every like nick and cranny. Something that really bothers me is when I can like see my pants, like the outline of my pants are like popping out or something like that in my shirt, and something like this is going to do that inevitably. But I really still like it, and I'm still gonna keep it. I think I got this in a 26, 28 as well. It has the same kind of balloon sleeve as well. I think all my sweaters this season do. Nothing as crazy as this one that I'm wearing. This is from Eloquy if you didn't watch that haul. But I just think it's cute. I like it a lot, except for it shows everything. So I'll probably wear this less than the other ones, but still really like it. I'll probably try to pair it with like a jacket or something like that. And yeah, really, really cute. Okay, so the next few items are actually like pants, and I know I haven't hauled my Torrid haul yet, which I need to do. I keep forgetting. But out of that haul, I found like my most favorite jogger pants I've ever had in my life. And now I'm like hooked on jogger pants. And so I saw that Lane Bryant was selling some, and so I wanted to try them out. And this first pair is really fun. It is this kind of like lilac purple jogger pant, and on the bottom it has this mesh, athletic mesh siding. I just think it's really cute. I think I got this in 26-28. I think this whole thing is 26-28. I like this a lot. I think that it doesn't fit like my favorite ones. These definitely fit more like how jogger pants are supposed to fit, like that athletic baggy look. Where my other ones were kind of like more on the skinnier side, so they almost passed as pants. But I still really love these. I think they're super, super cute. They have pockets. They're super comfortable. I'm gonna have a harder time matching like items to this to try to wear it like as an everyday item, besides just like working out or like just hanging around the house or something like that, just because it's a lilac color. It's coming off more of a dark blue or purple on camera, but it's a lilac color, and I don't know, I think it's really cute. Loves it. Really fun. Recommend jogger pants all the way. Alright, so the next pair of jogger pants are just plain black ones. They're from the Livi Active brand. I think the lilac ones were too. There's no embellishing besides this little zipper on the bottom. It looks like it does open, but not like a space there, so I don't know why you would open it either way. I got these in a 26-28, and similar to the other ones, like the purple ones, they fit a little bit bigger and baggier than I was kind of hoping for, but am I going to return them? Hells no, because I like to be comfortable. But I think that these ones in particular fit a little bit higher waisted too. So I would suggest sizing down on these if you can, if you decide to get them. They just feel a lot baggier than I'm used to, and I don't know. I think they're cute. They have like little fake pockets in the back. I don't know if that will come off on camera, but I don't know. I like them. They're just not. I'm just looking for the perfect jogger pant again. That's just like my Torrid ones. And I just want different styles, and I haven't been able to find anything exactly like that fit. But will I keep these? Hells yeah. All for the comfort, and that's what I mostly do sitting around the house anyway, so definitely keeping those. And then since they were having a sale, I decided to pick up a pair of their jeans, and I needed some black jeans because the ones that I have, like my favorite ones, are from Torrid as well, but they're super, super ripped, and so I can't wear them to work. I really love the way ripped jeans look, but it's just not something that you can wear. So this one was kind of like a great compromise because most of the jean is not ripped, but at the very bottom it has like a little bit of an embellishment, like you've worn it, and has a little bit of see-through. You can see like the rips just at the very, very bottom. Everywhere else it's not ripped. I thought that this was so cute. This is from their high-rise ultimate stretch skinny. That's pretty much all I wear is high-rise stretch skinny jeans. They definitely do fit on the smaller side, which here goes back to the inconsistent sizing, where the tops are being a lot larger, but then their pants are a lot smaller for the most part. I got this in a 28, and I think it fits really well. If you are not a true 28, or if you're like on the verge of being like a 30 or something like that, I don't think that these will fit you comfortably. Even though they have stretch, it's not like a Torrid stretch. It's not like a, ooh, butter smooth, you know. These are definitely more of like a jean material. I think that these are super cute, but I just wish that their sizing was a lot more consistent. And last but not least, your girl hasn't shown y'all any booties this winter, which I am obsessed with booties. I bought like a whole haul last year, so I didn't really need like too many, but did that prevent me from getting some Leopard print booties? Hells no. I love it. I'm also like super into ASMR shoe collections. I thought about doing some ASMR. I don't know how y'all would feel about that. I probably would have to create a new channel, but like I love it so much. I love the sound of like tapping on your shoes. Yes, I'm weird as hell, so leave me alone. But these are really cute. They have a zipper in the back. They're basic. I mean, there's nothing special. I really just wanted some leopard print booties that I could wear with a lot of my outfits, because I like to wear a lot of basics and stuff, and just having like a fun shoe is really fun, you know, jazzes it up. I used to have some leopard print flats that I had for forever, and I literally wore them to the ground, wore them to death, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get another pair, don't worry, and then I never found a pair I liked. So when I saw these and these were on sale, I was like, I just need to get a pair. Are these like my most favorite thing in the world? Probably not.